English dictation 120 words per minute. 5 seconds. Start. At one time, the office worker carried out many of his duties by handwriting, but now he is assisted by various type of machines. Paragraph. The greatest help is given by the typist with her modern machine. In some cases, an electric model and the duplicator, the typist needs to acquire proficiency in the use of the various machines which are used in this later half of the 20th century. But when once this proficiency has been gained, she is able to work at many times the rate at which the work was carried out many years ago and with a far greater degree of accuracy. Adding and calculation machine offer a mean of making copies very quickly and without errors. There is a constant development of the use of office machinery, and suppliers are willing to send leaflets and booklets showing this type of equipment. Paragraph. There are now many memory aids which the secretary is able to use, and the diary is the main one, but there are other which include the use of 12 folders, one for each month of the year. The secretary cannot hope to remember all small items of information with which she deals during the week, and much of her efficiency lies in her ability to know where information may be obtained rather than in trying to remember it. Paragraph. There are reference books such as the Post Office Guide, which gives deals of postal rates, and many years books of one kind or another prove useful. Most employers expect their secretaries to use the correct form of address for notable person, and reference books are available for this purpose. Paragraph. So far as letter writing is concerned, such of the work is done from dictation, but in addition, the secretary must be able to compose letters for brief notes. It must always be remembered that letters are sent to give information, to transfer knowledge of the matter from a sender mind to that of the recipient, and each letter should be read through very carefully before being signed and posted. If one is trading with a firm in Bombay, it is very easy to remedy an omission by a telephone call, but if the customer is in Madras, an omission from a letter can be a serious and costly one. Paragraph. In using the telephone, it must be remembered that the telephonic can give a good or a bad impression of the firm employing her. First of all, she should have a good speaking voices. She should be pleasant yet discreet, and she should learn to recognize the voice of the firm customers. She should try to gain some knowledge of her firm and her business transacted by it. She will then be in a position to deal with calls much more efficiency.